कुठ्ठाळेचे आमदार एलिना साल्ढानान बिरेस्तारा कासावले भलायकी केंद्राकडेन 108 ॲम्ब्युलन्सीचे उक्तावण केले। कासावलेच्या भलायकी केंद्राची नवी इमारत 6 म्हयन्या भितर बांदून पुराय जातली म्हण उतर ह्या वेळार आमदार एलिना साल्ढानान दिला। RDX गोवा खातीर कासावलेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
As far as the primary health center, expanded and upgraded health center, the work is going on at a very good pace. I know that there was a lot of delay initially for various reasons which I'm not going to mention again, but right now we are very happy with the pace of work that's going on, and I think at the most within a period of 6 months we should have a full-fledged, upgraded and expanded primary health center in the village of Kasauli that will take care of the medical needs of 7 neighboring villages. Well, I've been told with respect to Kortali Health Center, I have been told by Dr. Sukor of its needs. It needs a little expansion, and most important of all, Kortali Health Center needs night facility, availability of a doctor to take care of the patients in the night. And we have also placed this need before the Honorable Minister for Health, and I'm sure he will do the need.